Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to give you a quick walk around of 79 and 81 here. So these two are unique in the way that they don't have changeable signs like most of the older first gens do. And these are the only two 2004s that are like that. So, and another thing that they have that the others don't is flat sides. So like on a newer, like on a second gen where the side is flat, you don't have these little rails. So these are both still in active service, and I actually rode 79 as a transfer bus back in junior high. It appears they just took 79's crossarm at some point. It's new to me. These also have black door frames, which is not something that a lot of our older ones have. They would have had yellow door frames. So we'll go ahead and walk around both of them. They've got CE 200 emblems on them. 81 has been inspected for next school year, and 79 has not yet gotten that. They have the reflective with Lebanon City Schools on it. And then we also have, there's the back. And then here's the back of 79. So we'll go ahead and go inside 79 since I wrote on that. And I'll show you guys a little bit of what they look like. So on the inside, they're pretty much the same as the other first gens. The only real difference, here's the asset number. Now, 79 has more mileage than 81. Here's the inside, all that fun stuff. So the only real difference between these 2004s and like 50 as a 2004 is the fact that the sidewall paneling here is plastic instead of metal. So most of the buses would have just had this metal right here, but these have the plastic. So that's something that is different. Other than that, like the seat color is the same, the floor color is the same, and they're all, well, both 71 passenger buses. So you can see, I've always liked these two. I think they look great. Even though they don't have the changeable signs, they look great. They sound great. I know I always enjoyed riding 79 when I had it as a transfer bus. I see they put the hand sanitizer in a different spot than some of the other buses. They usually put them right there on the first gens. Let's see. So, yeah, well, that's 79 and 81. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing those two. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and yeah.